Good day and welcome to another Wizzwatch Weekly Newsletter podcast. This is your host Marlon Rowland. I have a few things to talk to you about in reference to the week that passed as well as the week ahead. As we close the door on the past week in the stock market, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, gold, silver as well as Bitcoin ended the week trading higher as oil slumped. The past 3 weeks have been rough as the market continued to correct itself. As for now, it seems that we are currently getting back to normal as the Dow confirmed that the downturn in the market is over after 6 consecutive days of upside momentum. The Dow Jones Industrial Average began the week trading at 31,512 and continued to move higher as the week went on. The past week was a great week as 27 of 30 stocks in the index advanced. The top movers in the index were Boeing, up 20.59%, Walgreens, up 12.73%, Home Depot, up 8.40%, Goldman Sachs, up 6.55%, and Cisco Systems, up 5.56%. As the market came to a close on Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average ended the week trading at a record closing price high at 32,778, up 1,282.34 points, or 4.07% on heavier than average upside trading volume of 2.13 billion. The average weekly trading volume for the index is 1.90 billion. At the NASDAQ, the index has been moving lower for 3 of the past 4 weeks, but ended the week trading higher after coming off support levels at 12,757. As for now, the index is poised to move higher in the week ahead as the market begins to advance. The NASDAQ started the week trading at 12,904 and declined to a price low of 12,599 before ending the week trading higher to the upside. Out of all 100 stocks that make up the NASDAQ 100, there were 78 that advanced as 22 declined. The top percentage gainers in the index were Tesla, up 16.02%, American Airlines, up 14.28%, United Airlines, up 11.42%, NetApp, up 10.16%, and C-Trip International, up 9.16%. The Nasdaq closed the end of the week trading at 13,319, up 399.72 points, or 3.09%, on heavier than average trading volume of 29.59 billion. The average weekly trading volume for the index is 23.12 billion. Over at the Standard & Poor's 500, the index also advanced to the upside as it too made another record price high for the 3rd time this year. The index began the week trading at 3,844 and declined to a price low at 3,819 before ending the week trading higher. The S&P 500 moved higher for the past 2 weeks after hitting downside support the week prior. The index has been moving higher for 2 of the past 4 trading weeks. The top price advances in the index that helped the S&P 500 move higher to the upside to end the week were Viacom CBS, up 28.24%, Gap, up 20.59%, Discovery, up 12.64%, Fortinet, up 12.4%, and Nucor, up 10.87%. As the week came to an end, the S&P 500 closed the end of trading session at 3,943, up 101.10 points, or 2.64% on heavier than average trading volume of 13.21 billion. The average weekly trading volume for the index is 12.21 billion. In the week ahead, we should have a great week as the slump in the market is finally over after 3 weeks of declines. As for commodities, the price of gold and silver advanced as the price of oil declined. The gold index closed the end of the week trading at $1,719.80 per ounce, up $21.30 or 1.25% on heavier than average upside trading volume of 116.5 million. The silver index closed the end of the week trading at $25.91 per ounce, up 62 cents or 2.47%, as the oil index closed the end of the week trading much lower at $65.61 per barrel, down 48 cents or 0.73% on heavier than average downside trading volume of 231.8 million. The average weekly trading volume for the oil index is 217.84 million. On the radar this week are stocks to trade in the building heavy construction sector. The sector has climbed to the number 3 spot behind home furniture and miscellaneous diversified retail. The stocks to keep a close eye on in the sector are Dycom Industries, stock symbol DY, Maztec, stock symbol MTZ, Primero Services, stock symbol PRAM, Gravenite Construction, stock symbol GVA, and MCore Group, stock symbol EME, just to name a few. As for events in the week ahead, we have economic reports starting on Monday with the Empire State Index. Tuesday, retail sales, industrial production, capacity utilization, the National Association of Home Builders Index, as well as building inventories. Wednesday, building permits for February, the Federal Reserve announcement at 2 p.m., as well as a press conference from Jerome Powell, head of the Federal Open Market Committee, at 2:30 p.m. Thursday, initial jobless claims, continuing jobless claims, Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Survey, as well as the index of leading economic indicators for February. And on Friday, there will be no economic events scheduled. In the week ahead, we'll also have earnings reports coming from companies such as Lennar, Carnival, Canadian Solar, Cintas, Kodak, Progressive, FedEx, Dollar General, as well as Nike, just to name a few. The top 5 sectors in the Wizzwatch Top 20 this week were retail home furniture, still holding out a number 1 spot, followed by miscellaneous and diversified retail, building and heavy construction, steel producers, as well as wholesale automotive retailers. The top 5 stocks in the Wizzwatch Top 20 this week were Metis Incorporated, stock symbol AMTX, Cassava Sciences Incorporated, stock symbol SAVA, Copin Corp, stock symbol KOPN, Aclaris Therapeutics, stock symbol ACRS, as well as Riot Blockchain, stock symbol RIOT. In the zone this week is Second Sight Medical Products Incorporated, in which trades on the NASDAQ Composite Index under stock symbol EYES. Second Sight Medical Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries, develops, manufactures, and markets implantable visual prosthetics that are intended to deliver artificial vision to blind individuals. It develops technologies to treat the population of sight-impaired individuals. The company offers the Orion Visual Cortical Prosthetic System, an implanted cortical stimulation device, which is intended to provide useful artificial vision to individuals who are blind due to various causes including glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, optic nerve injury or disease, and eye injuries. The company also offers Argus 2 retinal prosthetic system for treating retinitis pigmentosa, in which has gotten approval from the Food and Drug Administration on March 5th. If you have a close look at the stock chart of the company, you'll see that the stock took off after it got FDA approval for its treatment of retinitis pigmentosa. The stock came from a price low of $1.40 to a price high of about $20. Since then, the stock has declined to support at $9.75 and is now advancing higher to the upside. The stock is currently up 985.71% and is poised to move higher in the days ahead. What I'm looking for going forward is a breakout in price above $15.48 to $15.53 in order to take this stock higher to the upside. At the close of the market on Friday, the stock ended the day trading at $15.20, up $4 or 35.71% on heavier than average upside trading volume of 45.63 million. The average daily trading volume for the stock is 40.61 million. In the days ahead, please keep this stock on your radar for a continued price move to the upside. If you are interested in more information in reference to the Wizzwatch weekly newsletter, please visit my blog at wizzwatch.blogspot.com. Thank you again for listening to another Wizzwatch weekly newsletter podcast. Have a great day and happy trading. And please remember, the stocks that I mentioned are not buy recommendations, so please do your own due diligence or get help from an investment professional before trading. If you have any questions that you'd like to ask or comments, please leave those in the comment section below. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, share, turn on those notifications. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you once again. This has been a Wizzwatch presentation.